I have hiccups, and they aren't very. Ugh. Okay, so my hiccups are really weird. They're like silent, or sometimes they sound like burps, which will probably happen in the next few minutes. See, like what I'm doing right now, it's like really weird. Like it doesn't make a sound, but it just like makes my thing go. Ow, yeah, that. But they hurt inside my ears and stuff. Okay, so I've had the hiccups 4 times today. This is the 5th time. The first time was an hour of hiccups. Second time was 20 minutes. Third time was 20 minutes. Fourth time was about 10 minutes. And now I don't know how long I'm gonna have these. And these are real hiccups, but they've been like this kind of all day. Like some of them are really silent, and then the others are just like I look really weird doing this. Then the rest will be just like ow. Yeah, weird. It probably doesn't look like I have hiccups, but I do. My head goes every time. That one you could hear it, and it sounded kind of like a burp. Do you hear that engine? It's really loud and it's annoying me. It's the neighbors. These are really annoying me. They hurt too because I don't know. Like usually my hiccups will only last like a few minutes, or usually I'll only hiccup once or twice. Like that's been happening for the last like 2 years. But now, just today, I've been hiccuping for like 20 minutes at a time, and like I was hiccuping for like an hour, and it's crazy. Me and my friend, let's say her name is Marissa. No, because I actually do know Marissa. Okay, I'll just tell you her name. Her name is Carly, and me and her got hiccups at the same time, so we were hiccuping like her hiccups sound like birds. They're like oh like. I love you, Carly. They're just like weird, but so my hiccups are kind of weird too because they sound like burps, and so well usually they do, and we hiccuped at the same time and everything, and it's pretty cool. So we're hiccup buddies. See, my thing goes weird. It's like all like it goes like in right there. Just watch. If I'm gonna hiccup again. Oh, see. My hiccups are being weird. They're just like, but they don't even look real. Ow. Ooh. Weird. It's really pretty outside. It's summer. Gotta go swimming on summer. Everybody's looking forward to summer vacation. Beach parties, yeah. Watching movies, yeah. Fun. Gotta get down on the summer vacation. On Monday, I'll sleep in. On Tuesday, I'll text him. On Wednesday, I'll go swimming. I don't know, I'm just making this up as I go. My hiccups, I think, are gone. Let's just wait a while to see if they're gone. I'm pretty sure they are gone. This is the shortest I've had them, like 7, 8, 10 minutes. Like, I don't know. I've had them usually way longer. They're getting shorter as the day goes on, like the length of them. I got a haircut, if you haven't noticed. It was straightened and poofed up in the back, but then I just put it up in a ponytail, so it got a wavy, because when you take it out, there's that weird line thing. Like, so, yeah, and it's not really poofed anymore. Yeah, my hiccups are gone, I guess. So, since I'm gonna be having these hiccups probably for the next few days, I might make another hiccup video. Right?